How do you import modules directly in modern browsers? Imagine building a website where different parts of your code live in separate files, and you want to connect them easily. That's what importing modules in modern browsers is all about. Instead of copying and pasting code, you can keep things organized and load only what you need. To do this, you start with a special script tag in your HTML file. You write script type is equal to module soc is equal to app.js/script. This tells the browser that your script is a module, which means it can import and export code from other files. When the browser sees this, it fetches the app.js file and treats it as a module. Inside your JavaScript files, you use the import keyword to bring in functions, variables, or objects from other files. For example, if you have a file called math.js with some functions, you write import add from/math.js. Remember to include the full or relative path and the JS extension because browsers need the exact location. You can also write inline modules directly inside your HTML with a script type is equal to module tag. For example, you could write script type is equal to module and then add your import statements and code inside. This way, everything stays in one place for quick testing or small projects. When you import modules, the browser loads all the dependencies before running your code. This is called eager loading. But if you want to load modules only when needed, you can use the dynamic import syntax. You write import as a function which returns a promise. For example, const module is equal to await import/lazy.js loads the module only when that line runs. One thing to keep in mind is that browsers requiring the full URL or relative path with the JS extension in your import statements. Unlike Node.js, browsers do not automatically resolve bare module specifiers like unknown. To make importing easier, you can use import maps. These are special scripts that tell the browser where to find your modules. For example, you can map utils to a specific folder, so you write import helper from utils/helper.js instead of the full path every time. All modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge support these features since around 2018. This makes modules a standard way to organize JavaScript code on the web without needing extra tools or bundlers. So to sum it up, you load modules in browsers by adding script type is equal to module tags, use import statements with full or relative URL, and take advantage of dynamic imports for lazy loading. If you want to simplify your import paths, use import maps. This approach keeps your code clean, modular, and easy to maintain, fitting perfectly with modern JavaScript development.